Welcome to our channel. If you want to promote products on TikTok and reach millions of potential customers, follow this simple guide to create effective marketing content. Step 1. Create a TikTok business account by downloading the app, signing up, and switching to a business profile in settings for access to analytics and advertising tools. Step 2. Research your target audience by exploring popular content in your niche, understanding trending sounds, hashtags, and the type of content that resonates with TikTok users. Step 3. Create authentic, entertaining content that showcases your product naturally rather than making overly promotional videos that users typically scroll past quickly. Step 4. Leverage trending sounds, challenges, and hashtags to increase discoverability. Add your product naturally into popular trends for maximum visibility. Step 5. Post consistently at optimal times when your target audience is most active, typically early morning, lunchtime, and evening hours. Step 6. Engage with comments on your videos, respond to questions, and create follow-up content based on user feedback to build community trust. Step 7. Collaborate with TikTok influencers or creators in your niche who can authentically promote your products to their established audiences. Step 8. Track performance using TikTok analytics to understand which content drives the most engagement, views, and conversions. Then refine your strategy accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.